Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix The Outer Worlds 2 not launching or crashing on PC. We'll go step by step through several solutions, from verifying game files to updating your GPU drivers. So let's get started. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library. Locate The Outer Worlds 2 in your list of games. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will scan and repair any missing or corrupted files that might be preventing your game from launching. Wait until the verification is complete, then try launching the game again. Solution 2. Right-click The Outer Worlds 2 again in your Steam library. Select Properties. Click Installed Files, then Browse Local Files. Find the Outer Worlds 2.exe in the folder. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check the boxes for Run this program as an administrator. Disable full screen optimizations, click Apply, then OK. This ensures the game runs with full system permissions and avoids display-related issues. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Click on it to open. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will look for the latest driver and install it if available. Once done, restart your PC and launch the game again. Solution 4. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it. Click on the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. If a new version is available, click Download and then Install. Updating your GPU driver can fix crashes caused by outdated or incompatible graphics drivers. Solution 5. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and look for the Visual Studio Redistributables VC Redist section. Download both VC Redist x86.exe, VC Redist x64.exe. Once downloaded, double-click VC Redist x64.exe. Click Yes, accept the terms, and press Install. When it finishes, click Close, but don't restart yet. Now, double-click VC Redist x86.exe and repeat the same steps. Once both are installed, restart your PC. This reinstalls critical runtime libraries required for many modern games, including The Outer Worlds 2, and that's it. After following these steps, The Outer Worlds 2 should launch normally and stop crashing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.